Welcome back everybody, I'm back with another look. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this soft blush look with an inner corner eyeliner. So I'm starting off my look with my foundation. Today I'm using something different. I am using the Revlon Color Stay Foundation in the shade 355, and I'm applying 4 pumps to the areas of my face that I'd like the coverage. Now that I have that foundation blended out, I'm going to add my Anastasia stick foundation in the shade Cocoa, and this is going to give me the full coverage I need for my dark spots. Now because this foundation is a lot thicker, I'm going to take my matte finish spray by NYX, and I'm just spraying my beauty blender damp and using that to blend away the foundation I've added on my face. Next, I'm going in with my all-time favorite concealer. It is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. I'm just applying that in the areas of my face that I'd love the light to hit. Now on a day-to-day, I wouldn't usually contour, but for this video, I figured I would. I'm just going to take a darker shade of one of my stick foundations by Anastasia. I don't remember the shade, but I'll have that in the description below. And I'm just using this to bring some shape into my face. So I'm going to help enhance my cheekbones, forehead, make it look a little smaller, and jaw a lot more defined. Now that we're done contouring and blending it out, I'm going to take my concealer and I'm going to take it from the back of my jaw to the front of my face, and this is just going to clean things up a little bit on our cheeks, and it is going to make the contour look a lot sharper. Now that I've used the beauty blender to blend out all the concealer I've put under where I've contoured, I'm going to take my loose powder by CoverGirl in the shade Beige. What this is going to do is it's going to mattify everything and make sure all the concealed areas are set in place. Cool trick that I've kind of taught myself, but I'm pretty sure someone out there thought of it, is set your face right after you've put the powder before you dust it off, and set it again with the deeper setting powder. This time I used the black opal powder. Okay, so this is a eyeshadow palette. It's pretty cool. I got it for Christmas from my mom. I'm just taking one of the pink shades and applying that on my eyelid. I know you guys know by now how much I love my Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia, and I'm just taking all 3 of the pink shades they have in there and packing it onto my eyelid to create the perfect blush tone. Now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to grab my eyeliner by NYX and I'm going to create the perfect wing. And once I'm done with my wing, I'm just going to drag it to the inner corner of my eyes and create that inner corner look. So I'm going to grab my Maybelline mascara. That's going to go on my eyelashes for when I put my fake lashes on. And I'm taking my Fire palette by NYX and I'm using the darkest shade they have in that palette to apply it on my waterline along with the colors I put on my eyelid to create a nice smoky effect. And I'm taking my NYX powder foundation and I'm just going to put that on the areas that I concealed just so it's not too light and it kind of brings the tone back to my face. Now I'm going to grab my Maybelline strobing liquid and also my Becca highlighter. These two combined together make a perfect combination. I put some Maybelline strobing liquid on my nose and on the bridge as well, but I'm going to go in with my Becca on top of that just to kind of create a in-your-face glow. And I'm also applying that on my cheeks as well. Now, to give an illusion of nice full lips, I'm taking 2 lip liners of mine, lining the outer lines of my lips, and I'm taking a really light shade from one of the lipsticks I own to add a nice 3D effect to it so my lips look a little bit more poutier than they are. And there you have it. That is how you create the blush tone eyeshadow look with an inner corner eyeliner. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Did you love it? Did you hate it? I want to know. Go ahead and leave a thumbs up if you loved the video. I know it's a little bit long, but this is to teach you guys how I do it. So if you guys find it informative, I'd love for you guys to give this a try at home. It is such a cute look for when you want to go out with your girls, so go ahead and try this.